All right, animal lovers. Think you know your animals? Let's put your ears to the test. But warning, only 1% of people get the last question right. Ready? Let's go. Very easy. You should get this. Getting harder. Still pretty easy, though. Now this one's hard, you probably won't get it. I'd be very surprised if you know this one. Comment if you do. Just look at that bird. Wow, looks like a dinosaur. Thanks for watching. Did you get them all? Comment your score down below.